In the world of fighter jets, America has long ruled with its high-tech, high-cost F-35 Lightning II, a symbol of power and wealth. For years, the Pentagon's message was clear: buy American or be left behind. But now, a clever challenger from Sweden, the Saab Gripen, is shaking things up. The Gripen isn't a stealth marvel like the F-35, it's a 4.5 generation fighter, less flashy, but far more practical. Think of it as the reliable smartphone that does almost everything you need, at a fraction of the price. The real threat? The Gripen proves you don't need to spend a fortune to have a powerful air force. This Swedish jet challenges the American model of complexity and cost. Built for a small country with a big Russian neighbor, the Gripen is a tool for war, not a trophy. As more nations do the math, the Gripen's appeal grows, and with it, the anxiety in Washington. This is the story of how a sensible Swedish jet is rewriting the rules of global air power. To understand the Gripen, you have to understand Sweden, a nation always preparing for the worst from its giant neighbor, Russia. Sweden's answer wasn't to build a few expensive jets, but to create a fighter that could survive and fight from anywhere. The Gripen can operate from highways, not just pristine air bases. It's refueled and rearmed in under 10 minutes by a small team, sometimes just conscripts and one technician. This is warfighting, not showboating. The F-35, by contrast, needs perfect runways, climate-controlled hangars, and a global logistics network. If main air bases are hit, F-35s are grounded, but Gripens scatter and keep fighting from hidden roads. This rugged, dispersed model is exactly what modern military planners want. The Gripen is a guerrilla in the sky, resilient, efficient, and ready for real conflict. It's a philosophy born of necessity, and it's catching on fast. Let's talk money. The F-35 is the most expensive weapons program ever. 1 hour in the air costs $33,000. The Gripen, just $7,500. That means more training, more patrols, and a bigger presence for the same budget. The F-35 is a trophy. The Gripen is a tool you can actually use. For countries buying dozens of jets, the savings are in the billions. And the Gripen isn't a cheap knockoff. It's a top-tier fighter with a longer combat range than the F-35A. For nations with big territories, that's a game-changer. The Gripen's affordability and performance are breaking the F-35's monopoly. It's the budget airline that suddenly offers better service than the legacy carriers. The Pentagon's sales pitch is losing its shine as countries realize they can get more for less. The Gripen is changing the economics of air power. Modern air combat is about electronic warfare, not dogfights. The Gripen E's electronic warfare suite is world-class, capable of jamming, deceiving, and blinding enemy radars. It can make itself vanish or appear in multiple places at once, outsmarting even pricier jets. Unlike the F-35's passive stealth, the Gripen fights back in the electromagnetic spectrum. As radar tech improves, stealth may fade, but the Gripen's active defenses adapt. It's a magician, not a ninja, winning the electronic fight even when seen. With advanced sensors and data fusion, the Gripen gives pilots a clear edge. It proves you don't need a stealthy airframe to dominate the modern battlefield. The Gripen's threat to American dominance is clear in the sales numbers. Brazil co-produces the Gripen, turning itself into a regional hub and attracting neighbors. Saab's strategy: sell the plane and the factory, building long-term partnerships. In Europe, Hungary and the Czech Republic have flown Gripens for NATO since 2004. Ukraine's order for 150 Gripens, driven by war with Russia, shows the jet's real-world appeal. Even US allies like Canada are reconsidering F-35 purchases, eyeing a mixed fleet with Gripens. The Philippines and others are lining up, chipping away at the F-35's market share. Each new customer validates the Gripen as a smart, credible alternative. The global shopping cart is filling up, and the Pentagon is watching nervously. The Pentagon's real fear isn't just lost sales, it's lost influence. Buying American jets means buying into US control parts, software, training, and political strings. The Gripen offers a way out, with open partnerships and technology transfer. Brazil and Canada can build their own jets, creating jobs and independence. This model empowers nations to develop their own aerospace sectors. For countries wary of US leverage, the Gripen is a ticket to self-sufficiency. Choosing the Gripen is a strategic declaration. We'll chart our own course. Every Gripen sale sets a precedent, showing there's a real alternative to US dominance. That's what truly worries Washington. A world where America is just one option, not the only one. The Gripen is more than a jet. It's a symbol of independence. The Gripen isn't perfect. Its engine is American-made, giving the US some supply chain leverage. The single-engine design worries countries with vast remote areas, like Canada, who prefer twin engines for safety. Running a mixed fleet of F-35s and Gripens creates logistical headaches. Two sets of parts: training and maintenance. The Gripen is a brilliant design, but not a magic bullet. Its compromises reflect Sweden's needs, not everyone's. These are the arguments F-35 salesmen push hard. The fight for the skies isn't over, but the Swedish jet has already changed the game.